In today's video, I am going to teach you how to lock price to bar ratio on Tradingview. This feature keeps the relationship between price movement and the number of bars on your screen consistent. So your candles don't look stretched or squished as you zoom or scroll. It's especially useful when you want stable, repeatable visuals for analyzing patterns, comparing volatility across symbols, or recording tutorials where the chart layout needs to stay uniform. Start by opening a chart in Tradingview. Any symbol and timeframe will work for this. Once your chart is visible, the fastest way to enable the lock is through the price scale on the right side of the chart. Move your mouse over that right-hand price scale to make sure you are hovering directly on it. Then, right-click to bring up the context menu. In that menu, select Lock Price to Bar Ratio. That's it instantly. Tradingview will keep the ratio fixed. So when you zoom in or out or drag the chart, the vertical price scaling and the horizontal bar spacing maintain a consistent proportion. You'll notice that the look of your candles remains stable across different views, which can make pattern recognition and side-by-side comparisons much clearer. If you prefer using the chart's settings panel, you can enable the exact same option there. Right-click anywhere on the chart canvas and choose Settings, or click the gear icon at the top of the chart to open the Settings window. Inside, navigate to the Scales and Lines options, where you'll find the Lock Price to Bar Ratio setting. Turn it on, then click OK to apply the changes. The outcome is identical to using the price scale menu, and some traders like this route because it keeps all their preferences in one place. Once the lock is active, try scrolling or zooming to feel the difference. The platform maintains a steady visual relationship between price units and bar spacing, so your technical drawings, indicators, and chart patterns appear with uniform proportions across symbols and time frames. This consistency helps you make apples-to-apples visual judgments, reducing the chance that a quick zoom change subtly alters your read of structure or momentum. Use whichever method fits your workflow, the quick right-click on the price scale when you need it fast, or the settings route if you are configuring your chart layout along with other preferences. Keeping your chart visuals consistent can bring more confidence to your analysis and make your reviews faster. Thanks for watching.